Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to block someone on Facebook. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily block someone on Facebook. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Facebook. Now once you open your Facebook, just click on the profile of the person you want to block. Now once you click on the profile of the person you want to block, then you can see the three dot over here. Just click on this three dot. Once you click on that three dot over here, you can see block. Just click on block and you can see block this person. Just click on block and you can see, just click on block and you can see I have blocked this person. Now to see all blocked profiles, or to see all the people that you have blocked, all you need to do is to click on your settings and privacy over here. And once you click on your settings and privacy, you can see, just scroll down, and once you scroll down you can see blocking. Once you click on blocking, you can see all the people that I have blocked here. So to unblock them, just click on unblock and then unblock the person. But you can see those that I have blocked over here. So with this you can block you can block anyone on Facebook. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video